Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Maps JavaScript API UI integrations, detailed. Begin by ensuring you have access to the project where the Google Maps JavaScript API is integrated. Open your project directory in your preferred code editor. Locate the HTML file that contains the Google Maps JavaScript API integration. Find the script tag that includes the Google Maps JavaScript API link. It may look something like this: script src equals https://maps.googleapis.com/maps/api/js key equals your underscore IP. Delete this script tag from your HTML file. Next, search for any div elements that display the map. These often have IDs such as map, map container, or similar names. Remove these div elements from your HTML file as well. Next, check for any JavaScript functions associated with the map. Look for functions that initialize or manipulate the map. Common function names may include initMap, loadMap, or initialize. Delete these JavaScript functions from your script files. Now, check for event listeners or handlers related to the map. These may include click events or form submissions that manipulate map data. Remove any related event listeners to prevent errors. If you have custom styling for the map, such as CSS, search for styles related to the map's appearance. Remove any CSS code that specifically targets map elements. After making all these changes, save your files. Next, test the project to ensure everything is functioning correctly without the Google Maps integration. Open your local server or hosting environment to view the changes. Review the console for any errors related to the removed Google Maps functionality. If errors persist, double-check that all related code is removed. Finally, commit your changes to version control if applicable. Your integration of Google Maps JavaScript API UI has now been successfully uninstalled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.